It's me, Ifra's Amazing World, and
I'm Karma from Karma's Cooking Channel.
So yeah, we're gonna get started by making
a slime challenge video. So only the thing we're gonna do without looking is this, and with rock paper scissors, who's gonna go first, and for the tide, who's gonna point the tide first with rock paper scissors. So let's go. So let's tell you the ingredients. You need
glue, 1 bottle of glue,
any paint optionally,
paint
and
optional,
activator. We're gonna use Tide.
Okay, and a container.
Yeah, I don't have a container at this moment, but yeah. So let's get started. Let's pour in our glues first.
Okay. No, first let's pick our colors, then pour in the glue.
No, we can't.
Oh, yeah. Okay, guys, I'm gonna pour in my glue. Mine's too small, my teeny cup, because there was no more. I don't know where the others went. I think they got used for something else.
Or like
I love pouring in glue.
Yeah, guys, pouring in glue is so
Thôi sao có sung cho là đi xe hả em cần tới đến lá này cho nó.
Oh, never mind. Let's start over.
No, it's
okay. Fine. So sorry, guys. So sorry about that.
Sorry about that. We're not gonna start all over again. Then how are you gonna see us pouring the glue?
Okay, guys. So
pouring in the glue.
Yeah.
Let's make sure we don't even leave a drop of glue. Especially us, we never like to leave a drop of glue. And if we do, we get really sad. But not sad, mad. Okay, I'm kidding.
I kind of want pink.
I want pink, blue, or green. Like, not yellow. Like,
Yellow's
these are the colors, so if you want to see. Yeah. Okay, I'm pouring in the glue.
I'm not going to miss a drop. Just like as she said that.
Last time we both missed like 1 drop or something.
Like some drops.
But we weren't really mad. She was kind of mad, so.
No, you were the one mad.
No, you. Okay, no, we're kidding. You both were really not mad. I don't know. I forgot who was actually mad about it.
I think you. No, I'm kidding.
Okay,
so.
Okay, everything I think came out now. I think I should stop now.
I think I have more side right now.
Hey, that's not fair. She thinks she has more slime.
No, I think I have a little more inside, so I need to get that.
Okay, this is gonna be my mixing
I'm gonna mix it right now, so I think
so it's a better texture.
It's a better texture, yeah, in my opinion.
She told me it's a better texture than I was like, no, I'm gonna mix at the end, but she was like, no, please. And then she was like, she didn't say no, please. And she was like, no, glue makes a better texture. Like that. And I'm like, okay, fine.
So guys, this is mine right now. It's a simple white glue inside of the barrel.
Mine, guys. I hope it doesn't fall.
Okay, I'm mixing
wait,
it, guys. Okay, guys, I just got done mixing. I'm just gonna mix
this is mine.
Okay, let's do the thing now.
I guess.
Okay, guys, now we're gonna rock, paper, scissors to see who goes first. Other person's gonna mix. Rock,
paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Yes!
Turn it around. Don't look.
Fine. How do we promise we won't look?
Okay, get
Green,
it.
where it is.
You know where it is.
Green!
I want it that way.
That's cool. I like green.
Okay, do it for me now.
I knew I'd get green next to you guys. I'm not even lying, so. Okay, we'll go.
I feel like the darkest one. Is this the darkest one? I think this is gonna be it. Yeah, please be blue or something. Pink, yes!
Okay, so I like both of ours. Even though my favorite color is pink, I like minty.
I'm gonna pour it in.
I'm gonna pour it.
Why is it so watered?
What?
Oh no, wait, I saw what that is. It's supposed to be like that. Okay, guys, I just
wait. I'm gonna pour more, but let me see how it is. Maybe I won't. Maybe I will.
Oh my god,
it's very little, so I'm gonna have
This is
some.
my favorite color, pink.
Yeah. Okay. Wait, let me try it.
It smells fine.
It smells really good. I like
It
the
smells
smell.
fine.
Why?
Fine.
I like the smell.
It's not as much as like that.
Last night, when I was like, I don't want pink because like it smells like bubblegum.
No, because it might look like bubblegum, but it's better. It's like bright and cool stuff, guys.
I like green, pink, or blue, but I don't really like yellow because it's not a good option. Like I like blue. And
it's already really thick, which I like about it.
Guys, this is mine so far. I feel like it's gonna fall out.
It's like strawberry yogurt, guys.
I don't know how to
strawberry
show you.
yogurt.
This is mine.
Mine is like
it's kind of like mintish or something.
Hers is like green yogurt. Mine is like like strawberry yogurt.
Not yogurt. I don't want to name it yogurt.
No, it looks like.
What is this? Oh, watermelon. I got watermelon.
I got strawberries.
I like watermelon better than strawberries.
Yeah, because strawberries are actually.
Yeah, I'm not trying to show off, guys, so don't take it right now. Because
Oh my god, chill.
I love slime. So these paints are scented. Because see, it says wild watermelon and it's actually scented.
Yeah, and the packet says it.
Ah, it smells so good. Like watermelons. And the ride's turning mintish
That
greenish.
smells really cool, and it's really cool as well. It is kind of like bubblegum, as I predicted, but it's still really cool.
Okay, mine's not like watermelon at all. I mean, it is like watermelon, but it's not like bubblegum at all. It's like
Obviously not. Is green gonna turn like bubblegum, guys?
No.
Comment down below if you think.
No, guys. Yeah, comment down below, but I don't think so.
Yeah.
Your question will be whose turns out better.
Yeah, guys. So at the end, you're gonna comment down below who's turns better, and then we'll say in the next video we make of a challenge or something, we're gonna announce who the winner is.
Yeah.
Okay.
Kind of weird.
Okay, guys. I'm just gonna give it a little mix. I'm gonna keep giving mixes.
Oh, this is finished.
That's okay. Okay.
I'm so sorry.
Okay.
You can use mine, so that's fine. Are you happy?
Kind of. Whatever.
I didn't want to make you sad.
It's okay.
Please?
It's
Be
okay.
happy.
Okay, guys.
Ah, it smells like watermelon. I love watermelon. Just kidding. It's okay. I love watermelon.
Okay, guys. Oh, it smells so good.
Really? It smells good too. Weird. Oh,
That should be nice, guys.
sorry,
but-
no, I'm sorry. But I'm sorry, but I like watermelon. Sorry. I love the color pink. Wow.
Okay, guys, so I made like a bubblegum type as I predicted, and she said it wouldn't be bubblegum.
I'm sorry.
And it is bubblegum.
Can I try to pour
It's
in?
nice.
Can I try to pour in more green?
Yeah.
Thanks. I'm gonna let her use my paints too next time. I don't have these type of
She
paints, but I
has
do.
paints over there. I'm gonna show
I
you.
have weird paints.
No, they're just not. Okay, that's it.
Get out. Different Crayola company, but I like the Crayola company and
There's
the
one
paints.
yellow one too, but I don't know where it is at this moment. But these are the ones she has.
Actually, like my sister's better because like mine ones are weird.
Both. Oh my god, that's it.
It's
Oh my
wiggly.
god, guys! Just got this really cute new water bottle. It's so cool.
Show off. I'm kidding.
It's
I'm
not
kidding.
gonna fall, is it? No.
Sorry.
Okay, I'm gonna keep making it really cool.
Guys, this is how mine's
I'm gonna
turning
try
out.
to. Even I finished the pink.
This is how mine's turning out.
Guys, this is how mine is. Everyone.
This is mine. This is hers. Okay, and I really like both of ours so far.
Okay, guys, I'm about to see. We're about to do rock paper scissors to see who's gonna bring that later.
Oh, first let me mix more. Okay, let's just mix more. So, okay.
Okay, fine. Let's keep mixing, guys. I want to make it a little like bubblegum now.
I'm gonna make it look mint.
Because
I
it
like
even
mint.
smells like that more like. Like, guys, so.
It smells like watermelon, fresh
I don't really
watermelon.
like bubblegum, but I'm trying to make it more bubblegummy.
I love watermelon.
It can never be too much bubblegum. Okay, guys, so this is it.
Oh, it looks so pretty. Okay. It looks mintish, and I love mint color because it tells me of the mint times, like when I eat
Yeah,
mint.
mint is really good. Mint tastes
Thanks.
good.
And plus
I like-
bubblegum. I love bubblegum. So
Yeah. Oh my god, mint bubblegum. If you mix that.
that'd be
with
funny.
bubblegum.
Yeah, that'd be pretty funny. Okay.
Okay, that's so cool.
Okay, I think we should add the activator now.
No,
Oh yeah. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Yes. I mostly win not to lie, guys. Ah, it's so heavy. That means it has a lot in it.
Guys, Tide doesn't always work in which is borax solution, but it's
I like
fine.
this better.
We don't have that. I like.
Oh no.
If that dropped on your chest, you'd be like
No,
the
no.
biggest.
Can you give me a tissue?
Sure.
I'd be
Okay,
killed.
you announce it.
I hope it doesn't change the color, but it's okay.
It happens sometimes.
I don't want it to be blue really much.
Whatever.
No.
Okay.
It has a strong color.
Guys!
Thank you so much.
We're covering the people.
Sorry. Okay, I don't know where to put this right now. Probably here. Don't drop it. I'm gonna get in trouble too. That's fine. Okay.
If
It fell.
Okay.
It fell.
Okay, guys. guys, so this is
Guys, I hope it doesn't ruin the color.
I don't think. It doesn't always, because last time I made red slime and never got purple.
Yeah, I don't really want it to ruin the colors.
It's not. Look.
Oh, are you sure?
Yeah. Can I put in here?
Wait, no, not right
Is
now.
it good?
Okay, fine. No, don't drop it, please. On the floor. Or
Oh
anything.
no, I put in too much, but who cares? Okay, guys. I put in too much activator, as you guys can.
We could make activator slime, so.
So I'm gonna keep mixing. I don't want to put my hands in
I
here.
feel like it's gonna turn blue now.
I feel like mine's gonna turn purple, but who cares? Once
Oh
again.
no, I really wanted it not to turn like that, but it's turning weird now. And yeah.
Oh my god, it's actually becoming good.
I'm not gonna waste the activator.
It's really soft, but it's very liquidy right now. And really small right now.
Oh no. I thought it was like activator, but it's actually activator. Okay, let's put it here. Relax. Oh no, it's so watery, like
Watery, yeah. Okay.
I don't know what to say.
You know the gooey ones that just drip out of your hand? It's those right now.
Yeah.
Right? You experienced that right now? But this is really cute pink. I thought it was going to turn bubblegum, but as Ifra said, it didn't again. And before in the middle, I was like, it's going to turn bubblegum, but it's so cute pink. But it's blue because of the activator.
This is how mine turning out.
That's why I suggest borax solution.
Okay. You know what? Mine's turning out like this, and it did change to blue. That's really great. So thank you, Akrama, so much for telling me. Yeah. Thank
You
for-
know later, so
So
you have to.
it's so hard to mix it because
Yeah.
like sometimes it doesn't get made.
Not mix it, knead it.
Need it. Whatever you call it.
It's called kneading.
Needing
When
it.
you do that,
Yeah.
okay, put in activators.
Okay.
Okay, guys, so this is how mine is turning
Could you
out.
put an activator?
My hands are dirty.
Can you put an
My
activator?
hands are dirty.
Oh.
Do that. Just a little bit, right?
Yeah.
No.
What are you doing?
Not into the slime. I can't do that.
Okay. Thanks. That's it.
Yo, come on. That's it.
Okay.
Okay, guys,
That was a
this is
kid.
really soft slime, but it's really sticky at this moment. I think I need more. So it turned into a really cute, almost purplish type of color, right?
Mine will turn into mint. So.
Like as we thought. Like,
It feels exactly like watermelon.
Okay, guys, I'm about to put it down because it's getting dry.
Some of the glue needs to be added.
I think.
Don't add more
This
activator.
is actually lesser than I thought, but it's okay.
I like this.
Oh no, wait, there's more in here.
There are many. There's so many like pros about this because it's awesome.
Yeah, there's barely any cons. It's only that it makes your hands dirty,
Yeah.
basically. And
Basically.
sometimes it doesn't turn out. As long as you know how to make slime good, it works out.
Yeah, I like both of ours. Not
Yeah,
to
because
lie.
they're both really
Yeah.
cool. So guys, but we still want you guys to comment down below. You cannot say both. Sorry, guys.
Please don't say both because
Yeah,
then it's
you
not gonna
can,
really make
but-
sense. So.
Yeah, because we won't know who the winner is, and then we won't be able to announce.
So subscribe to the channel subscribe on the notifications in 15 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Ting! Okay, you on it. Okay.
I was about to say 6.
Hope you
So
all
guys,
know.
so what the challenge was to turn the like button on, smash that like button, subscribe, turn on the notification bell. If you did that, and comment. You don't have to comment in this. You have to comment. Yeah. So if you did, you won our challenge. Comment down below if you guys did do as we did. And don't lie. And I know you guys didn't lie, but
So yeah, guys.
okay guys, I made like a flubber purple.
Hey guys. So yeah. This is mine. So yeah.
It's minting out.
So bye guys, with my sticky hands. Bye.
I'm not gonna do